अच्छी जगह आए हैं, मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती हूँ। हम चिकबल्लापुर आए हैं आदि योगी। इतना अच्छा वेदर है यहाँ का, आप देख सकते हैं। सो बस हम लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं दर्शन करने के लिए, एंजॉय करने के लिए, जो कि बस
मेन चीज़ है जो है आदि योगी की स्टैचू इधर।
वो अभी हम नीचे जाएंगे ना तो उधर से दिखा देंगे।
इसकी ब्रांच कोयम्बटूर में भी पड़ती है, बट बैंगलोर हमारे लिए बहुत नियर है, सो बैंगलोर।
हाँ, काफ़ी अच्छा है। मैं नीचे जाकर आप लोगों को दिखाती हूँ। सो चलिए मिलती हूँ आप लोगों से थोड़ी देर में। कि हम चिकबल्लापुर आदि योगी की दर्शन के लिए गए हैं। सो दर्शन तो काफ़ी अच्छे से हो गया। मैं बता रही हूँ कि क्या हुआ ना, वहाँ पे जैसे नागा बाबा का हमने दर्शन किया, उसके बाद हम नीचे गए। नीचे आदि योगी की स्टैचू जो थी उसका भी हमने अच्छे से वहाँ पे फ़ोटो वोटो ले लिया, दर्शन वर्शन कर लिया। एंड देन फिर इतनी ज़ोर से हवा बारिश स्टार्ट हो गई कि मैं क्या ही बताऊँ। फिर क्या हुआ ना, एक्चुअली हमें लेज़र शो देखना था, बट लेज़र शो तो बारिश में हो नहीं सकता है। फिर हमने काफ़ी देर वेट भी किया, बट लेज़र शो होने वाला नहीं था। तो फिर हमने सोचा कि इतनी देर वेट करके क्या होगा, कि हम निकल जाते हैं। बट एनीवे हमने काफ़ी इन्जॉय किया क्योंकि साथ में मेरे पेरेंट्स थे। सो हमने काफ़ी इन्जॉय किया। फिर हमने कहा कि नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी आएंगे तो फिर हम चलेंगे। एक्चुअली हम तो पहले एक बार लेज़र शो देख चुके हैं। लास्ट ईयर हम गए थे तो उस समय हम लोग लेज़र शो वहाँ का देख चुके हैं, काफ़ी अच्छा है। तो हमने सोचा था कि मेरे पापा को बहुत पसंद आएगा, बट हो नहीं पाया। सो कोई नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम आएंगे तो फिर लेकर के मैं जाऊँगी उन्हें। एंड अभी तो वो लोग जा चुके हैं, मतलब हाँ, वो लोग निकल गए हैं, आज ही गए हैं वो लोग। सो हमने सोचा कि चलो थोड़ा बहुत जो भी वीडियो है वो मैं बनाऊं। एक्चुअली क्या हुआ ना, यहाँ पे हम काफ़ी जगह गए घूमने के लिए, बट मैं प्रीवियस 2 वीडियो डाली भी हूँ। बट क्या हुआ ना, मेरी और भी वीडियोस थे डिलीट हो गई। मुझे तो इतना मतलब बुरा लग रहा है उस चीज़ के लिए, मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ। सो फिर मैंने सोचा कोई नहीं, मैं छोटा मोटा जो भी क्लिप है, जैसे कि मेरी मम्मी आई थी ना तो बहुत सारा इनके लिए स्नैक्स लेके आई थी। जैसे इनको वो ठेकुआ, गुजिया, नमकीन, जो भी उधर का होता है स्नैक्स, वो सब लेकर के आई थी। इन्हें बहुत पसंद है। सो ये कह रहे थे कि नहीं मम्मी जी आप आई हैं तो फिर मुझे ठेकुआ और बना दीजिए। सो छोटा मोटा जो भी क्लिप होगा, जो भी मेरे फ़ोन में अगर मुझे मिलता है तो मैं ज़रूर डालूँगी आप लोगों के लिए। सो क्या हुआ ना, कल कल वो लोग थे तो हम ऐसे ही थोड़ा निकले बाहर कि ठीक है चलो थोड़ा बाहर घूमते एंजॉय करते हैं। तो बस मीनल को तो जाना था मिनी शो, तो मीनल ने कहा कि नानू नानी चलते हैं हम मिनी शो, तो हमने भी बोला कि ठीक है चलते हैं। सो मीनल अब दिखाएगी आप लोगों को कि वहाँ से उसने क्या क्या लिया है। ओ माय गॉड, इतना सारा सामान लिए कि मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती हूँ। उसे तो बस फ्रीडम मिल गया था कि हाँ नानू आए हैं, नानी आई है, तो मैं जो भी चाहूँ ले लूँ। मम्मा तो कुछ बोलेगी नहीं, डैडी भी कुछ बोलने वाले नहीं हैं। सो बस मीनल दिखाएगी अभी आप लोगों को। आर यू रेडी मीनल?
यस।
तो बस चलिए मीनल का देखते हैं गिफ्ट क्या क्या है, और वो सारा चीज़ अनबॉक्सिंग करती है। सो
मेरी मम्मा ने आप लोग को बोला होगा कि कल मैं मिनीसो गई थी एंड मैं ऑलरेडी जा चुकी हूँ मिनीसो, बट यू नो मुझे मिनीसो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि उसमें स्टेशनरी बहुत अच्छी है। एंड मैं बहुत ही अल्टीमेट स्टेशनरी लवर हूँ। और मिनीसो में बस स्टेशनरी नहीं मिलता, बहुत सारी चीज़ मिलता है एक्सेट्रा। सो यू कैन गो देयर एंड यू कैन चेक द थिंग्स दैट यू कैन फाइंड इन मिनीसो। सो एनीवेज, मैंने ऑलरेडी प्लान करके रखा था कि मुझे बर्थडे में जाना है मिनीसो विथ नाना नानी बिकॉज आई गॉट द बेस्ट चांस। मतलब नानी नानी के साथ एक शॉप जाना, सो यू कैन बाय एनीथिंग, फील फ्री टू बाय एनीथिंग। और मेरे नानू नानी इतने स्वीट है कि वो कभी मुझे रोकते नहीं है कि ये मत लो, मतलब कोई नानी नानी ऐसा नहीं करता, बट यू नो दे वेरी स्वीट, एंड मुझे जितना लेना था वो लोग ने मुझे लेने दिया, सो आई जस्ट लव देम। सो एनीवेज, मैं क्या बोल रही थी कि बहुत सारे चीज़ मैंने वहाँ से लिया। दैट there are many stationery that are the most you will see is the stationery that I got. And okay, so मैंने कल बहुत सारी चीज़ लिया as I said. So अभी हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं, मैं आप लोग को दिखाती हूँ कि मैंने क्या क्या लिया वहाँ से। और हाँ, Miniso is a very nice shop, you can go and check it out right away, not right away, but you can go and check it out. Okay, so let's get started. I'll be showing you all of the things nicely. I'm gonna be showing you all of these things detailedly, like not detailedly. I'm gonna be showing you in a detailed way. So let's get started. Okay, so here I have a bag of goodies that I got from Miniso. Okay, we're not gonna touch that now. We're gonna touch these four things. These are just for my back to school items because tomorrow मेरी school start हो रही है. And as my school is starting, I needed a lunchbox and a water bottle. So first we have this water bottle, which I got from Miniso. And this is a water bottle which is purple in color. It's transparent and you know, यहाँ markings लिखी हुई है जैसे आप कितना पिए या कितना आपने भरा है, और यहाँ आप इसे hold ऐसे कर सकते हैं. And plus point is like this is a very unique bottle. Like I've never had this type of bottle. Like you can just open it like this. That's okay. But then it won't close like this. You have to lock it and then. So that's very nice. And I just love this bottle. It has like a pink lock and a pink button to open it. It's really nice. I love it. So turning to the next thing is the lunchbox that I got. This lunchbox is a panda lunchbox. It's pink in color. It's having a panda over here, and then you can open it simply, but it has tape, so I'm not gonna open it right now. Anyways, let's turn to the bag. So यहाँ बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो मैंने अभी तक नहीं open किया. I'm so excited to open them. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna show you. Okay, there's like a bag of things that I got. Okay. So the first thing that I'm going to show you that I got from Miniso is not this, it's not stationery, but this is a storage box, and it's very nice because, you know, because I like the storage, what's the storage box, because you can keep all of your mini erasers, your mini pencils, like the ones that are used and you've sharpened a lot, and then you can keep so many cute things over here. So I've opened it, and मैंने open कर लिया ऐसे. It's so cute. I mean, oh, okay. So this is like a cute bunny. I guess this is a bunny. I don't know. So you know, you can not open it. You can keep some stuff over here. Your stuff over here, and then you can also close this. Okay, so that doesn't fall. And then this is so unique. I thought it'll just open like this, you know, like a drawer, but no, it opens like this, this, and this. And there's so many things written on them. Wow, and this picture. And bun. That's so cute. And it's pastel pink in color. So I'm going to use that for my studies this year. It's going to be amazing. So, yeah. Let's turn to the next thing. Anyways. Okay. So, the next thing I got is this. This is the sticker that I got. Like, I have never seen this type of sticker. Like, this sticker is so unique. I mean, this is like a wee baby bear sticker. And this is not a normal sticker because here in this sticker, there are some shimmery glitters filled. And you can shake them. That just adds to it a lot. So, I'm going to show it to you. Let's open it and see it once. Oh, sorry. Okay. It's so good. Like, this has these like stickers. I'm gonna use them for my ID card, for my like notebook. I can just decorate it so nicely. like there's glitter, so that just adds to it a lot. So I'm gonna keep this, and I'll meet you right away. Clips, and I just love these clips. And these clips are not only in these colors, it was also in like a peach shade. And because I liked the blue color the most, so I got the light blue and the dark blue. And this version is just mind blowing. It's amazing, and I'm gonna use that. So that's really nice. Turning to the next thing without wasting our time, without further ado. The next thing that like Leah Miniso said is this pouch. This is like a themed pouch. It's just like a celestial body themed pouch. Let me see what it is. It's like a Moon Star series stationery set. So it's a Moon Star series stationery set, and you can see there's some constellations made in the pouch, and there's like this little keychain. Oh, that's so cute. It's a charm. And let me open it to you, and I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show it to you right away. I'm gonna use this pouch. It's really nice. This is like this notepad, and this notepad is so good. I can write stuff over here, and it's only like white pages. It's the same page. It's so good. Okay. Now the second thing I got in this pouch is this Moonstar series sharpener. Third and fourth thing is these Moonstar series pencils and Moonstar series eraser. So let's keep these. This is done as I showed you the pouch. So it's very nice. I like it. I'm going to use it. So let's turn to the next thing that I have. Okay. So the next thing I have is this cute, oh my god, this is a highlighter. And this is so cute that I can't stop seeing it. It's like those kitty paws, and these are highlighters, and there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shades in this. So including blue, green, blue pistachio color, yellow, pink, lavender, and this pastel pinky color. And this is the way you open it. So I'm going to open this to just show you that how it is opened. So this is how it is. All of them are like this. They're the same, like building shape. The shape is different, like the shape is same, everything's same, but except the colors. So this is the highlighter that I got. Okay. Next thing that I got is this. Where's that? The next thing I got is this combo pack. This is a combo pack of 8 items for like, you can, for like school. Like you can just take all of these things, because all of these things are used in schools, right? So yeah, I just love it. I mean, in this you get a highlighter. I got the pink collection because the pink theme is blue and pink, so I got pink. And in this everything in this whole box includes, not box, this includes this is like a jumbo eraser, and this also, I'm just gonna read the content over here. So it contains a plastic compass box, highlighter, retractable jumbo gel pen, it's blue ink, and then pull cap gel pen, blue ink, retractable blue ballpoint pen, blue ink, mechanical pencil pink, plastic ruler, color jumbo eraser pink, and 0.7 millimeter lead box. So it's the lead is made for the mechanical pencil, because the mechanical pencil always needs a lid. And this thing you see over here is the box that you can keep it. It's like a compass box, so I can keep all of these stuff inside this. So yeah, I'm not gonna open this. Yeah, so I got this. Let's turn to the next thing. So yeah, so the next thing that I got is this. Oh, okay. The next thing I got is this pastel colored pencil. I don't have pastel color pencils at all, and when I saw these, I was like, I want to get these right away. So I got this pastel colored pencil, and these are so cute. Like these are like candy colors. And so everything, all of the colors in this are in a pastel theme. So this is the thing that I got. Next, I got, yeah. Next thing I got is these rainbow pens. These are like pens that are in the rainbow theme, in the rainbow collection. So here we have, the pink is the red, orange, yellow. Where's yellow? Yeah, this is yellow, green. Wait. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Which one is yellow?
I'm checking.
It's
Oh
orange.
yeah. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Yeah. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, and black. We have. So all of these colors. So all of these pens I have. I'm gonna open this once and just check how it is. Like, just gonna check once. So I'm taking the pink color. I mean, not the pink, the orange. And this is so good. It says Miniso. It's a gel pen, literally gel ink. So I just love it. And it is, oh, is it neon? It's so good. Oh my god. Okay, this is amazing. This is like chef's kiss. It's amazing. I'm gonna use these. All of these are gonna be used by me totally. We get it. So I'm just gonna close this nicely, and yeah, this is what I got. Now let's turn to the next thing I got is this mini notebook. It's so cute. It has a panda eating a Chinese dish. I don't know what is this. Or it's a Japanese or a Chinese dish, that's all I know, but he's eating that and it's so cute. And there's a panda and it says fua fua. Yeah, it's a wire bound book. So I'm just gonna open it and see how it is inside. Like how the notebook is. Oh, this is just so cool. It's so good. I can write like notes in it. And it's like, it's transparent. Like it's not like one of those hardbound covers. It's transparent. So I'm gonna keep that. This is moisturizing tinted lip balm. I just got the cherry flavor. There were many flavors, but I got the cherry one and I just like it so much. So it's just amazing and I'm gonna use it. So yeah. The next thing I got is this. Again, it's a notebook. And this notebook is not an ordinary notebook because it is a mini shaped notebook. It's shaped like a character. I have no idea which character is this. But if you know it, comment in the comment section. And there's a pen that they give with you. So I'm just going to show how the inside is to you. So there's a pen attached. There's a keychain, there's a charm attached to it, and you can open it and you can write stuff. So yeah, I'll meet you and I'll keep it and I'll meet you. So the next thing I got, so let's turn to the next thing. The next thing I got is this notebook for myself that I'll be using in my school for like notes and stuff. And this is a notebook which has a gradient mix of these three colors, purple, light blue and pastel pink. And there's a moon, which is so cute. And it's not a spiral notebook, it's just a normal notebook. And here there are the pages which have so many cute things made in them. And also this is a book, like, you know, we get this in books, I don't know the name of this. Also it has the same thing like we had in the pouch. So all of this is the same and you can just keep it in any page so that you can get to know in which page are you in and then in which page you have to continue. So that's really nice. I find that very helpful. The next thing we have are these washi tapes. I'm in love with these washi tapes. These are like so cute. It says keep up and excited. So these are the washi tapes. The first one is like a mixed glitter thing, and the second one is also like with polka dots, golden polka dots. This one with golden lines. This one with pink glitter, and this one is like a normal pink washi tape. If you don't know what washi tapes are just like tapes which are used for keeping on the paper or any projects or any notebooks to just keep the borders, to just make the borders beautiful. Let's turn to the next thing. So we have only two things left. this is something that, you know, I also don't know what it is, because this is a blind box. Like, I don't know what is inside this. It is just a blind box. You know, it's like a surprise, and I love surprises. So I'm gonna be opening this up, and we're gonna see what did we get. So in this, we can get a gel pen, a stylus gel. We can get a washi tape, scotch, sticky notes, or no adhesive. So let's open this and check, like, now let's check what did we get, how, like, what theme did we get. So yeah, I'll open it and I'll show you. So I'm gonna open this tape, and it says Miniso. Okay, so this is the pen that I got. This is the gel pen that I got. It is so cute. Oh my god. And it's fixed, and this is the gel pen. I just love it. This is so good. Love it. And the second thing I got is this. Oh, wait. I think these are sticky notes. Oh my god. These are so cute. These are just amazing. I got these sticky notes and this gel pen. And last but not least, we have this washi tape, which is just going with the theme. So you'd be wondering, why did I not get all of these things? It says like there's a slash in between them, so I got one of those. I got a washi tape instead of a scotch. I got a gel pen because of a instead of a stylus gel, and I got a sticky note instead of a notes adhesive. So it's just so good. It's just very nice. It's just worth it. And this washi tape is so good. Love it. Okay. Last but not the least is this, and this is also a blind box. I mean, I love blind boxes. There was one more blind box that I just found. So this is a figure blind box in which you can get any Sanrio character, and it's a Sanrio character's covering face keychain and a blind box pendant. So I can get from the theme, like from the collection, I can get it. So these are all the Sanrio characters. We can get My Melody, we can get Cinnamon Roll, we can get Hello Kitty, we can get Pomporin, we can get Little Twin Sisters Lala, we can get Little Twin Sisters Kiki. The one that I want is the Cinnamon Roll or the Hello Kitty. But if I get Little Twin Sisters Lala, I will be also happy. So I don't know what it is again. Let's check it. This is so good. The way you open it, it's just amazing. I got this. I got Cinnamon Roll. Yay! Let's go. Woohoo! So this is, as I told you, is a figure, and it's so cute. It has, like, you know, it has a charm attached to it, like a T, and it also has the name Cinnamon Roll. And it's so good. It's so figurine. It's so hard, and it says Cinnamon Roll Miniso. So this is a keychain I can attach to my bag, but this is also the card. Cinnamon Roll. I got the Cinnamon Roll instead of anything else. Like, I got the Cinnamon Roll. You can see that. And also this can be used as a pendant and also a keychain. So I'll show it to you.
So guys, आप लोगों ने देखा कि मिनीसो से क्या क्या शॉपिंग हुई है. ओह माय गॉड, मीनल तो बहुत ही हैप्पी थी कि नानू नानी आ रहे हैं तो मुझे काफ़ी फ्रीडम मिलने वाला है. मैं कुछ भी ले सकती हूँ मिनीसो जाकर. सो मीनल का तो ये हो ही गया पूरा. एंड मैंने भी ये एक आईलाइनर लिया हुआ है, ग्रीन कलर की है. तो मैं भी अप्लाई की हुई हूँ. आई डोंट नो आप लोगों को अच्छे से दिखेगा नहीं, तो मैं ट्राई की, देखती हूँ कि कैसा लगता है. मैं कभी भी मीशो का मीन्स आईलाइनर तो यूज़ नहीं किया हुआ है. मैं लिप स्क्रबर ये सब ली हुई हूँ, बट फर्स्ट टाइम है. मैं सोची कि चलो एक बार ट्राई करके देखती हूँ. एंड क्या चलिए फिर मिलती हूँ आप लोगों से नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में. अगर मेरी ये वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आए, सो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.